बूलियन अलजेब्रा में दो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स होते हैं, डी मॉर्गन और ड्यूअलिटी। ड्यूअलिटी टॉपिक बहुत लोगों को कंफ्यूज करता है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ड्यूअलिटी और डी मॉर्गन दोनों को बहुत ही सिंपल टर्म्स में समझाऊंगा और दोनों के बीच में एक कंपैरिजन भी ड्रॉ करूंगा। सो प्लीज़ वॉच द कंप्लीट वीडियो। One of you comrades asked me to make a video on Boolean algebra. So today we shall be discussing this topic. Textbook definition, you can study that in the book. Here I am present to give you a simple and relatable definition which you all can relate to. So in simple terms, the structure, inside the bracket you can see B, then two symbols, then a dash like sign which is a complement. I shall tell you later what these signs are. This structure is referred as Boolean algebra, where B is given by a set, you can say, which comprises of two elements 0 or 1. Then the symbol below B, that is, you can say, inverted V, it represents logic AND. Then the third symbol V represents logic OR, and the last symbol, it is used for complement. So all these four things which form the structure, these comprise Boolean algebra. Now comrades, I have divided this Boolean algebra topic into 4 or 5 subtopics so that in case you want to skip a section which you already know, you can easily do that. So the first subtopic is axioms of Boolean algebra, where we shall discuss properties like closure, commutative, associative, etc. Second is Boolean logic functions and plus logic gates with their truth table and expressions. Then canonical forms, SOP, POS, and then two very important topics, duality, De Morgan's theorem, followed by K-maps or Carnot maps. So we start with our first subtopic, axioms in Boolean algebra. You can recall that while giving the simple definition at the beginning of this video for the Boolean algebra, we discussed something called set B. So the set B has at least two elements, A and B, where A is not equal to B. Then I would write down the names of the axioms first, and then I shall quickly write down the examples for that. These are closure, commutative, associative, identity, distributive, and complementarity. I have quickly listed them down. So here they are. A plus B, A dot B is in set B. Then commutative, A plus B is equal to B plus A dot B equal to B dot A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. You can group them in any way you want. A plus 0 is A dot 1 is A plus B dot C is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. This distributive property is very important. Then complementary, A plus A bar is equal to 1, A dot A bar is equal to 0. Read the plus sign as logic OR and dot sign as logic AND. Now we come to this topic, Boolean function, which is frequently used interchangeably with logic function. So you can read the definition in the textbook. Here I think it would be better to give you an example. So we consider here Z is equal to X logic AND A or X dot A. So here's the truth table. The two combinations are for XY, it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and you can see that the output Z will give 1 only when both of the inputs X and Y are 1. Rest of the three outputs would be 0. The only important thing here is that any logic function or Boolean function that can be expressed in the form of truth table can be written in Boolean algebra using logic AND, OR, and complement. Now we shall move on to discuss a few digital logic gates along with their truth table, expressions, and diagrams, how they are represented symbolically. Here I would like to tell you that you can watch this binary decision diagram video, which shall be very helpful for you to express these logic functions. So here are the 8 important logic gates which we shall be discussing one by one. These are the first 4. For AND gate, f is equal to x dot y. For OR gate, f is equal to x plus y. For inverter, f is equal to x complement. For buffer, f is equal to x. Then the next 4 gates. NAND gate, f is equal to xy whole bar. For NOR gate, f is equal to x plus y whole bar. I shall discuss XOR and XNOR in detail. So here is XOR gate. F is equal to x XOR y, which can be expanded as xy bar plus x bar y. The truth table is xyf00011011. Wherever there is odd number of ones, the output shall be 1. XNOR gate expression is given by f is equal to x XNOR y dot covered by a circle. Like in XOR we have plus covered by a circle, so it can be expanded as xy plus x bar y bar. The truth table is xyf output 00011011. XNOR gate is also called equivalence gate. So if the inputs are equal, that is in the first and fourth combination 00 and 11, the output f shall be 1. Here is the symbol for XOR gate, and this is the symbol for XNOR gate, where we just have to place a bubble in the end of XOR gate towards the output. Now moving on to our next subtopic of Boolean algebra, we have canonical forms to discuss: SOP and POS, sum of product and product of sums. Sum of product अर्थात मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाले टर्म्स को जोड़ना है, a डॉट बी प्लस बी डॉट सी प्लस सी डॉट ए. सिमिलरली प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम्स में सम वाले टर्म्स का प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, अर्थात मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो a प्लस बी, बी प्लस सी, सी प्लस ए को मल्टीप्लाई किया. दिस SOP and POS you shall be using multiple times in digital courses. Just for the record, I am showing how these terms can be implemented in the form of logic gates. तो SOP वाले में AB, BC और CA को AND गेट से मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला टर्म ऑब्टेन करेंगे और लास्ट में तीनों आउटपुट को OR कर देंगे. सिमिलरली POS वाले में AB, BC और CA को OR करेंगे एंड देन वो तीनों आउटपुट को G ऑब्टेन करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई कर. There are many things left to be discussed in SOP and POS, which we shall be continuing while studying the topic K-maps or Karnaugh maps. Now moving on to our most important topic of this video, duality and De Morgan theorem, जिसको अभी मैं बहुत सिंपल टर्म्स में आपको समझाने जा रहा हूँ. De Morgan तो बहुत लोगों ने पढ़ी होगी और समझ में भी आ गया होगा, बट ड्यूअलिटी इज़ वन थिंग दैट कन्फ्यूजेज अस. पर फिर भी मैं डी मॉर्गन और ड्यूअलिटी दोनों को ही समझाऊंगा. सो ड्यूअलिटी इज़ अ सबसेट ऑफ डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम. जो लोग इस चैनल की वीडियोस बहुत पहले से देख रहे हैं उन्होंने नोटिस किया होगा कि मैंने इस वीडियो में स्केच पेन यूज़ किया है. वो इसलिए क्योंकि हमारा बजट थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. सो आई शैल एक्सप्लेन यू इन डिटेल वाई आई एम कॉलिंग इट अ सबसेट. सो फर्स्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट ड्यूअलिटी थ्योरम और ड्यूअलिटी प्रॉपर्टी. So OR can be interchanged with AND. 0 and 1 can be interchanged. In De Morgan, these two are the same. That is OR and interchanged. 0, 1 interchanged. What is additional here? It is that the literals are complemented. Literals getting complemented means if there is A, it becomes A bar. If there is A bar, it becomes A. Now having explained what is duality and De Morgan, I think an example needs to be discussed for each of them. So first let us consider a De Morgan example. Consider this x plus y whole bar. So it can be written as x bar dot y bar. For plus operator, the complement is dot operator. If we are given x dot y dot z whole bar, it can be written as x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Now consider an example for duality. So the dual of x plus y is given as x dot y because we don't have to complement literal in duality property. Similarly, x dot y dot z dual is x plus y plus z. So here what you have to do is leave the variables unchanged. That is the only thing different from the De Morgan's theorem. I think by now you have completely understood duality and De Morgan's theorem. If you have any doubts, please put them down in the comment section. I would be happy to help you. Now the last subtopic, that is K-maps or Karnaugh maps. It is a very big topic and I shall cover it in a separate video. So there we shall study about this summation or sigma sign, pi sign, min terms, max terms. Until then, you can watch my another video on XOR grouping in K-maps. If you found the content of this video useful, then please press the like button and subscribe to the channel Last Venture Comrade.